Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make a smooth animation for the player. This is where we stopped in our previous video. Our player couldn't play animation and was facing only the right side. Let's change this. First, we are going to change the input map. Go to Project, press on Input Map. In the Input Map, go to Add an Action and start adding action as just I'm doing. To add an action, press the key on your keyboard for the action you want. For left, press the left arrow. Same for right, press the right arrow. For the jump, press the upper arrow. For the double jump, press the space key. Let's add a funny animation and call it wall. As I said previously, to appoint the key to the action, press the small plus icon and press the keys on your keyboard to appoint them respectively. Alright, after assigning everything, let's move forward to the next step. Let's start by changing the input key for the jump action. Go the UI accept and change it into the jump. Select this code and copy with Ctrl+C and let's use it for the double jump. Don't forget to replace the jump by double jump in the action. Drag and drop the Oniv node into the script, and before you let it press the Control key for those who are using Windows. You realize that by doing so, we generate a variable that we can access everywhere in the code. We can call it to change into different animations from idle, run, jump, double jump, and so on. You can see the variable name is Oniv, so we are going to use it for the next line of code. Let's start with jump, writing Oniv, animation equal, and into the quotes write the name of the animation, in this case is jump. By doing so, the animated sprite to be gonna change is animation when we press the jump key. Do the same for double jump, write Oniv.animation equal and into the quotes write exactly double jump. Copy this line of the code. Paste it for the run and idle animation respectively, as I'm doing on the screen. Rename it Run and Idle. Let's try it out now. As you can see it, when you press your left and right, the player sets the animation run, and when you press jump and double jump, it doesn't show yet. And another problem still remains, the player is still facing the right side, even if you are going left. Let's fix it quickly before going to the next step. As you can see here on the inspector, go to Offset. You can see there's Flip H when you enable or disable it. The player changes in direction, facing left or right depending. Let's create a condition like this. If the direction of the player is less than 0, the player face left, and if the direction is greater than 0, he will face the right side. Now look at the screen and you'll understand the conditions I told you before. The key code in this line is to write oniv.flip h equal true or false, depending. And by the way, for those who know Python, GD script is very similar. In my Siri tutorial, I'll try to use simple code to help everyone. Alright, let's try to flip our player while moving around. As you see, the player moves according to the direction. He faces the right and left side respectively. But still, we can't play jump and double jump for now. Let's try to fix it. Create a variable named attack and idle. Make both variables to be true. Let's change the conditions for the player run animation. The conditions will be like if the velocity y is equal to 0, the player will play run animation. Don't forget to always align the code according to the if condition by pressing tab. Let's change the conditions for the idle animation as well. For this one, let's check if the velocity y and velocity x are equal to 0 and if it is on the ground, and if the variable idle is true. Alright, let's try this again. Fine and smoothly, everything is going well. We can run and jump, and we can flip left and right. The double jump animation plays but still feeling awkward. Let's increase the jump velocity for the double jump and add a condition to which when the player reaches a higher spot while jumping plays double jump. After all these small adjustments, we can try again to see how it feels. By adjusting every small detail and by changing the animation speed, you'll be able to select how smooth you want your player to jump, run, or even how fast the idle animation will play. Adjusting everything as you want can take a while, as you can see in this video. The moment you see that your animation is good, you can stop and go on. We have reached the end of this video. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like,